Right. Uh, so I got Cali over here, and I got Metasploit over here. Metasploit, and I got pfSense running. That's the router. So that's the pfSense IP, and the 192.168.11 is the Metasploit IP. So yeah, before that, let's actually do the arp spoofing. I don't remember the whole thing, so I'll do arp spoofing. I wrote down no notes. So as I do it, so that's the pfSense router. And this is the Metasploit router. So after that, we're gonna forward the IP. So copy, new tab, selection. Oh, okay, now it will be okay. We just forwarded the IP. Then we can generate fake ARP replies by ARP spoof. There's the interface ETA0, and there's the target. So victims IP and router IP. So ARP-SPOF ETH0, and the target is victims IP. Victims IP, I think, is going to be Metasploit because we're going to listen to Metasploit. 192.168.1.11, and the router's IP is 192.168.1.1. Okay, so we're done there. Then T is the target and I is it's real life scenario that interface will be double N because it will be connected to the Wi-Fi. But right now we're connected to ETH only, internal connection. Now we must also trick the router into thinking we're the victim. Let's get rid of this. So how do you do that? So our ARP spoof, ETH target router's IP and victim's IP. So ARP spoof, ARP spoof, ETH0, and the target is going to be router IP. The router IP and Victor IP. Router IP is 192.168.1.1 and the Victor's IP is 1.2.168.1.111. Okay, so now we can sniff out the URLs being searched by this command. In a real life scenario, this will be WLAN because we're going to connect to the Wi-Fi. The selection. God damn it. I'll skip it. Okay. Right now I turned off the internet connection on Meta. Like, look, ping 8.8.8 reachable, network is unreachable. I think if we search something on over here, it will also come up. Hmm. I'll turn on the connection to internet on the Kali too. But here's maybe try one more. Get HTTP. Yep, everything is turned on. But if you use Wi-Fi, anything that would be searched on over here, it will come up over here. So let's write a simple program, which is arp detect. Okay, so let's go through each line of the provided code. Okay, so first thing is from scapy.all. We're going to import sniff. This line imports a sniff function from scapy library. Scapy.all imports sniff library, sniff function, which is a powerful packet manipulation and network scanning tool. Then we're gonna do IP mac map. This line initializes an empty dictionary called IP mac map, which this dictionary will be used to store mapping between IP addresses and the corresponding MAC addresses. Then we're going to make a function, then processPacket packet and packet. This line defines a function named processPacket that takes a packet as its argument. This function will be used to process each packet captured by the sniff function. Source IP is packet arp.psrc and source MAC is packet ether source. This line extracts the source IP from the source IP and the source MAC address from source MAC. RP is address resolution protocol and the internet layers of the packet respectively. This line checks if the source MAC is already present in the IP MAC map dictionary. Let's rather than explaining everything, I just want to write down the code first. Then I can explain everything. IP MAC map source MAC is not equal to source IP. Try old IP. IP MAC map source MAC. Except old IP is unknown. Message is going to be arp attack detected. It is possible that the machine IP address. Then we can put the machine. Possibly it is the machine with the IP so it's make it to a string. Old IP is pretending to be str source IP. And then return message. Else IP MAC map, which is source MAC equal to source IP. And now I'm going to use a sniff function. count is 0, filter arp store 0, ERN, processPacket. And what's going on with our skip. Okay, nice. Let's open another one. And should I do cd into Python and Python arp detect? Hmm. Did I do everything right? I think I did. Can I just run it over here or permission required? Yep. I mean, we could do an interface, which is okay. It is possible that the machine with the IP address 192 is pretending to be 101. It's working now. All right, that should be all for this one.